Welcome to ZILTX. My name is Paul, and I'm here to help you get started. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your public page. If you're already logged into ZILTX, navigate to the chevron next to your icon. Click on Dashboard. This will bring you to the ZILTX Speed Board. From here, you click on Public Page. As you can see, this page has not been completed. So let's go ahead and complete it together. Navigate to the Edit Page button and click on it. Let's update a banner. Let's include a logo. Let's include a description of our company. At this point, we can navigate to the contact card. Here, we can enter in our company email, enter in a phone number. If your company has a social media presence, please include the URLs to their respective social media pages here. Next, why don't we add a post? We'll also include some images. And finally, it's very important to navigate to capabilities. In this particular section, it is important to illustrate the services that your company can provide. This is exactly what is stress tested against the RFQs that the publishers publish on our platform. So for all intensive purposes, we'll select the different skill sets that our company can accomplish. We'll also include the certifications, and we'll hit save. We're done. You have now successfully completed your public profile page. For more information on how-to videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to know a little bit more about ZILTX, visit our website or join our community at community.ziltx.com.